How to use Monzo Abroad. So Monzo won't actually block your card if they see that you're using it in a different country. Instead, they'll let you know the local exchange rate when you arrive and send you a spending summary of your trip when you get home. Monzo also won't mark up the exchange rate, so you're always getting the best possible deal. Some card machines ask if you want to pay in pounds instead, so make sure you pick the local currency for the best exchange rate. Now you need to understand your overseas ATM cash withdrawal fees. There is a fee of 3% for withdrawing cash over your ATM limits. Those who meet the criteria for higher allowances get unlimited fee-free cash withdrawals in the UK and European Union and fee-free withdrawals of up to £200 everywhere else. Those who have Monzo Plus get unlimited fee-free cash withdrawals in the UK and European Union and free withdrawals of up to £400 everywhere else. Monzo Premium users get unlimited fee-free cash withdrawals in the UK and European Union and fee-free withdrawals of up to £600 everywhere else. Be aware that some ATMs will charge you a fee for taking out cash, which Monzo doesn't receive, so they recommend using a free machine whenever you can. If an ATM or card machine asks which account you would like to use, Monzo suggests picking credit, as it's usually the most reliable. And lastly, take a spare card just in case. Your Monzo card should work anywhere that accepts MasterCard, and it does work in the vast majority of cases, but some customers do report occasional issues. It's always a good idea to have a backup just in case. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.